Hello everyone. In this video, I'm quite excited again to make this video because I will be delivering a speech for you guys, and in this speech I will be explaining how climate change is affecting our weather. I'm quite excited to talk about this because I always had this topic in school. So, let's start. Did you know that in 2023 was the hottest year ever recorded on Earth? Scientists say climate change is no longer just a future problem, it is happening now and is reshaping our weather in ways we can see all around us. Today, I want to explain how climate change is affecting our extreme weather. Especially, I will be covering three topics. I will be covering the area of heat waves, storms, and hurricanes, as well as drought and wildfires. Let's start with heat waves. As the atmosphere warms, extreme heat events are becoming longer, more dangerous, and more frequent. For example, in 2023, Phoenix, Arizona experienced 31 straight days of temperatures over 110 degrees Fahrenheit. That is the longest streak in US history. According to NASA, global average temperature has been rising about 2 degrees Fahrenheit since the late 19th century. Even small increases like this have huge impact on us because it affects our health, agriculture, and our day-to-day life. Next, let's talk about storms, most importantly hurricanes. When warmer ocean waters get in contact with the hurricane, it fuels the hurricane to make them more powerful and more destructive. One example is Hurricane Ian in 2022, which rapidly intensified before hitting the coast of Florida, causing devastating floods and damages. The National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, also known as NOAA, reports that climate change is increasing the likelihood of Category 4 and 5 hurricanes. That means stronger winds, heavier rainfall, and more destruction along our coastline. Finally, climate change is driving more droughts and wildfires. As heat dries out our soil, vegetation, and our entire region becomes more vulnerable to both water shortages and fire outbreaks. In California alone, wildfire has burned millions of acres over the last decade. A study published in the journal Nature Climate Change found that human-caused warming has doubled the area affected by forest fires in the western United States, like California, since the 1980s. These fires are destroying homes, they're affecting our way of living, and as most importantly, it is polluting the air. Due to the fire debris, it is polluting the air and it is making it hard for us to breathe, which is a big, big, big problem. In conclusion, it is fueling longer heat waves, stronger hurricanes, and even drier droughts and wildfires. Extreme weather isn't just something that future generation will face. It is already here. By understanding the science behind all these changes, we could be better prepared for challenges ahead of us. Thank you everyone for listening to this speech. Have a great day. Thank you for your time. Thank you.